Ever thought about speaking to the whole wide world, no matter where they are? Imagine you're a content creator, marketer, or maybe even a teacher, and you've got something awesome to share. Now, picture having these amazing tools that help you reach everyone out there, no matter the language. Let me take you on a ride through these AI-powered subtitle champions. First up, there's CapCut. It's like your personal subtitle magician. You just drop your video and like magic, it syncs up subtitles in real time. What's cool? You can jazz it up, make it your style with fonts and effects. Big shots in the biz trust it, and the team can even fine-tune things together. From ads to classes, this one's a game changer. Now, Recloud's AI subtitle generator. Picture this, it talks in over 99 languages. That's basically the United Nations of subtitles. Simple steps. Upload, generate, edit, and bam, you've got reliable subtitles without those annoying watermarks. Oh, and it doesn't just speak languages, it breaks down language walls too, and hey, your content's safe and sound with their confidentiality policy. Caption AI steps in next, keeping things easy peasy. Record or upload your video, pick a language from a big bunch, and boom, you've got captions in 28 languages just like that. Want to give your captions a vibe? Play around with different fonts. Plus, they've got other apps like AI eye contact to jazz up your videos even more. It's like a whole toolbox for making your content shine. Lastly, Abrea AI makes the subtitle game a piece of cake. Drop your video, let the AI cook up subtitles, and then get creative. You can tweak, style, and place those subtitles wherever you want. Short clips, long videos, Abrea's your sidekick. So from CapCut's precision to Recloud's multilingual magic, Caption AI's ease, and Abrea's style, these tools are your golden ticket to making inclusive, gripping videos. Want to wow your audience and make your content totally accessible? Add subtitles with these AI whizzes. Ready to give these AI champs a spin? You can try them out yourself by clicking on the links below this video. See you on the subtitle side of things.